Functional specification in supply chain strategies is like having a detailed map for a road trip. It outlines the specific functions and operations of each component in the supply chain. This includes product design and development. Just as a chef needs a recipe, businesses need a detailed plan for creating their products. This part of the specification covers everything from the materials needed to the steps in the manufacturing process. Procurement and sourcing is also defined. This is like going shopping with a well-thought-out list. It involves deciding what to buy, from whom, and at what price to ensure the best quality and cost-effectiveness. As is manufacturing and production. Think of this as the kitchen where your product is cooked up. It's about how and where your product is made and the timeline for its production. Finally, there's the returns and other such aftermarket services. Like a good warranty policy, this part covers how returns, repairs, and customer service are handled. Please watch my video on MRO for more information about this. So why is functional specification so important? It gives clarity and direction to the organization. Much like having a GPS in your car, it provides clear directions and prevents getting lost in the complex world of supply chains. Because of this, it also increases the efficiency within the organization. By outlining each step, businesses can identify and eliminate wasteful processes, much like streamlining a cluttered path. Because of this, it helps create adaptability within the organization. In a world that changes rapidly, like weather shifts, functional specifications allow businesses to quickly adjust their supply chain strategies to new conditions. Finally, there's the risk management aspect. It's like having a safety net, reducing the chances of errors and unforeseen issues in the supply chain. Just as every piece in a puzzle has its place, functional specification ensures that every aspect of the supply chain fits and works together seamlessly. It's not just about avoiding chaos, it's about creating a symphony where each part plays its role perfectly, leading to a successful and efficient supply chain. In essence, functional specification is the backbone of a robust supply chain strategy, ensuring that the final picture, the end product, is exactly as envisioned.